Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly duplicate a page using the Elementor plugin for your WordPress website. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the idea is we first want to go to the page that we want to make a copy of using the WordPress site editor, or I should say the Elementor site editor or site builder. And there are a couple ways to get there. You first want to log into your WordPress account as an administrator. And once you guys are here, the idea is you want to either click on edit site under quick links or click on the page that you want to edit. So I believe that would be under pages. So it's this one here. So when you click on all pages, it will pull up a list of all of the pages that you have registered. And from there, you can select which page you want to duplicate. Or you click on appearance. Either way, it doesn't really matter. It's basically the same deal. So let's say that I want to edit my about page. So not this one. Okay, let's pretend that this is my about page and I want to make a copy of it, right? So to do it, you guys would want to navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see the button that says publish or update, if depends if you made changes to the page. So from here, you'll see that the arrow that's pointing up says save options. So you want to click on this and you want to click on save as template. And then from your WordPress or Elementor library, you want to give your template a name. So let's just do test page, for example. Hit save. And now we can see that we have a copy of it. So when we go to our WordPress dashboard, like so, and we click on templates. Actually, wait, let's go back to save templates. Okay, either way is fine. So here it is. Here's your duplicate copy of the page that you just saved. So from here, you can do a bunch of stuff with it, like you can export the the template. So this way, you have a copy that will come in JSON file format, I should say, and you could upload it to different site builders like Elementor itself, like the native one, or Wix or whatever. And that's honestly how you guys do it. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. Hopefully it helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So with all of that said, we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.